Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, you already know we gotta first start off by priming that eyelid, and I'm using my favorite primer at the moment, and that is the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime. And after making sure that our eyelids are all primed up, I am going in with the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder, and I am placing that under my brow to set my brow concealer and also to help with blending. Now y'all, I got this little one shadow from Kohl's a little while ago, and I'm just now using it, and I think that it is in the Balm palette Meet Matrimony, I think that's what it's called. But this was like a little travel trial size of the eyeshadows that they had at Kohl's, and I am just now getting around to using it, and I thought that it was going to be a little bit more vibrant than what it was, but it gave me a muted kind of plum color on the lid, so we're going in all with that. And now y'all, we are going in with the Crayon Case Loose Highlighter in Anglowla, and I am hitting y'all with a little halo slash spotlight eye action on here, and I thought that purple and that gold would look bomb together, y'all. And now giving myself a little wing liner, y'all. That's all I'm doing. And these are those lashes that I showed you guys a couple of videos back that I got from a wig that I reviewed, and I love it. And I am going to bring you guys that contouring and highlighting routine. I have not forgotten about y'all. I know I keep saying that I'm gonna bring it to you, and I haven't brought it to you yet, but y'all, I am promising you that I am going to be bringing you that contouring and highlighting video very soon, because I want y'all to know how to contour and highlight for beginners, because like I said, y'all, I still feel like I'm a beginner in the makeup game. Even though some people tell me that my makeup is really nice and it looks like it's professionally done, sometimes I still feel like I am a beginner in this makeup game. So I want to show you my beginner tips and help someone out there who is wanting to get into makeup but isn't too sure on how to beat a face. And y'all, this is my favorite part. I'm going back in with that Anglowla loose highlighted powder, and I am going to place that on all the places that I want to highlight and bring out to the forefront. And y'all, we got a beauty supply mall in my city, and that is where I got this lip liner from. And I must say, I am in love with this deep brown lip liner. Like, just look at how it complements what I'm about to put on my lips next, which is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Soft Spoken. And y'all, I have not worn this in a little while, and I love it. I remember why I bought this, and just setting everything with that continuous mist setting spray so my makeup doesn't move. And y'all know I'm extra all of that. I gotta use my little fan to go ahead and dry that setting spray and get us all together for the end result. Y'all, I love how this makeup came out. At first I didn't like it because of that little eyeshadow single that I had, but it really came out nice. It's a really soft look, not too much, a little 1-2 that you can wear every day if you would like. I just want to say thank you for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.